When our customers are happy, we are happy. And when they write us to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they received that they went online and left this review. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning those from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior customer service can help you. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.